How to fix the Weeping Swan 10 Days of the City's Fall is crashing on Steam. First, you want to right click the game in your library and open up the properties. Now in the launch options, you want to add -dx11 and then go to installed files and verify the integrity of game files. And once this is completed, you can close Steam. Next, you will need to update your graphic card driver. So if you have NVIDIA card, you can use the NVIDIA app. Otherwise, you can use the AMD software if you have AMD. And from drivers, you can check for the latest update and install it from here. Next, you will need to make sure that you have redistributables installed. Open up a new browser tab and search for Redist. Click on the first link. And from this table here, you will need to download the 86 installer and the 64. Both of them need to be installed. And once you finish the installation, it will ask you to reboot your computer. And after the reboot, you just need to open Steam as admin. And then just launch the game from your library. And this should fix the crash problem. Thanks for watching and subscribe.